Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wells Fargo to link payment accounts safely, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Wells Fargo website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section on the homepage. Look for the option labeled Link Payment Accounts in the menu. Click on that option to begin the linking process. You will see a list of financial institutions. Select the institution you wish to link to your Wells Fargo account. If your institution is not listed, choose the option to add an external account manually. You may be prompted to enter the account number and routing number for the external account. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary information. Review all details you've entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your request to link the accounts. Wells Fargo will initiate the verification process. This may involve small test deposits made to your external account. Check your external account for these small deposits. Once you've received them, return to your Wells Fargo account. Enter the amounts of the test deposits when prompted. This completes the verification process. After verification, your payment accounts will be successfully linked. You can now manage your payments more efficiently. Remember to log out of your account after completing the process for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.